Yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Big Country, right here. First of all, like and share my videos. Hit the bell notification when you put new when you so you know I know put new videos up. Yeah, I gotta get a haircut, y'all. Damn, what is this? That's what I put the hat on. Yeah, I gotta get a haircut, but right now I'm just thinking about making money. Right now, I get a haircut later. Uh, y'all seen the background in my room right here. See over there, the TV mounted on the wall and stuff. But what I want to talk about, I want to thank a lot of people who see if I can put this video. I'll put this up. Put this over here. I want to thank a lot of people. I want to put this video up for anything. Okay, I want to thank a lot of people. I have this video over here. Um, I will add more RAM to my computer. I think it was this past Saturday. And I want to thank everybody for the comments. 9 comments on it. Well, it's 3 comments of people who giving me advice, and I just figure I just want to thank y'all for doing that. I mean, I don't know nothing about computers. I'm telling you that right now. I don't know nothing about computers unless I go on YouTube and I looked it up, And other than that, I don't know nothing about computers. If y'all see some of the setups I have, my setup, it's not what I know about it. It's about looking at YouTube and getting information. Because, I got 4 monitors set up here. And like I say, it just something that I learned. So I want to thank y'all for that. So, for ones of y'all who be telling me, what you're doing, like you talking Japanese to me. But I'm planning on, I'm planning on getting, taking my computer when time permit, when I can and get some basic upgrade. I had this computer for about, think it before the pandemic. I got this computer. I think it was a couple months. Trying to think. I think I got this computer. I think it was a couple months before the pandemic, or it was after the pandemic. So we was going on. When the pandemic come, 2020. So I think it's going on 3 years. It's going on 3 years since I had this computer. I definitely need some updates on it. So if I can, I'm gonna show you this right here. That this basically the specs of my computer right here and stuff like that there. So the ones who look at this video, they can tell me, what I could upgrade and what could be good for the computer. I mean, I use this computer basically for editing. I used to play some games on it, like the Truck Simulator and stuff, but to get the Truck Simulator and stuff on there, it takes so much memory from the computer. So that's why I don't do the Truck Simulator no more. So it takes so much memory. I miss doing it because I had really loved doing the Truck Simulator. But I definitely, basically, the speed on my computer is good. I'll tell you right now, the speed is good. I got one of the highest internets that could get, to 5G, to 4G or 5G internet is good. But it's getting memory. That's the thing. It's just the memory on it. And so, I had 30. When I first got this computer, it had only 16 gigabytes. Then I bought some more RAM to make it 32. Then I went to 64. and stuff. Device ID, I don't know what, I don't even know what this is and whatnot. The system type, stuff like that there. Like I said, I don't know this can just really tell you anything and whatnot, but this is basically is the system on it. And this the name of the manufacturer who done it. I think I paid like $1,200. I think it was between $1,200 or $1,500 for this computer some years ago, and I do need to take it to get it some updates on it. You know, like one guy was saying, let's go back to it. Like one guy was saying something about, like I say, for my man right here, who's giving me some good advice. And you know what? Let me do it like this. Yeah, okay. One guy was giving some good advice and stuff like that there, and then you had this guy here, came in. It's a lot of people came in and chip in, you know, telling me to purchase a 1 terabyte SSD card. So I definitely have to look up on that. I'm gonna take it to Computer Land or Computer somewhere, wherever that place is, and I did talk to the guy, and I told him, I said, I need more memory, and more different stuff in there. And he was telling me, just bring it in, let him do a diagnostic to it and let him look in, and then they could tell you what I need to update. So I'm basically going to take that. Like I said, I don't have no problem with the speed, but it won't help to get better, more speed you can get. There's another one telling me to get a better, SSD card, which, I did take notes on it because I definitely would like to know. So I want to appreciate, these guys here basically coming in and telling me, because like I said, I don't know nothing about the computer. I don't know nothing about computers and stuff like that there, So appreciate it, y'all. So I just did this quick video here because I just want y'all to know that I appreciate y'all from trying to give me some 411 on this computer, how to make it better, because I would love to play, have more in memory, faster, do things so I can play games on the desktop and stuff like that there. But other than that, I'm gonna end this video right here, right now, because the simple fact is, I'm looking for a load for the day. I'm trying to I did make some money today, so I'm looking for a load. Hopefully, I could get a load to do, and I'm looking at something. I think I'm probably about to bid. Nah, I did bid on one load. Y'all don't want to hear about my truck inside. This ain't the video for it. This is just a thing about my computer. And I do have another computer I got to bring back from South Carolina and get it fixed. I had to get it to my daughter and it stopped working. So I mean, right now it's just about trying to work, keep your head above clouds and make a living. So advice for the day is, and I think I'm gonna try to do advices for the day. Life is hard. Life is hard. No one, I don't care you rich, famous, poor, is gonna go through life without challenges. My thing is, if you believe in God, pray to God. He might not come tomorrow. He might not come today, next day. But he hears your prayers and she's coming. His timing. This what I'm trying to learn is his timing. Because, things going on in my life financially, personally, business wise, that I pray for him constantly to help. And he gave me what I need, not what I want. And it's like, it's a frustration thing. Yeah, I'm frustrated. I'm angry. Like yesterday was a bad week work wise. This week was a bad week work wise. Today is Thursday, October the 19th. This week was a bad work week, and I'm frustrated. You know, and when I came home, all I want did is lay down and just lay down, rest my body. I was frustrated. I was angry because, having your own business and it's not going good, and then having these companies, these brokers that trying to give you work, want you to move their freight for free, I could say. It's frustrating. But we have to trust God that God got the timing right to make it better. And I'm learning that. I'm trying to keep my belief in that. My mind wearies because I know the devil trying to get me to curse God out. This trust in God. That's the word, my thoughts of the day. So, like and share this video. Hit the bell notification so you know I'm putting new videos up. And see you on the next video. Peace.